Hello again, it's Kurt, your course facilitator for Intro to Salary Guides. In this video, we're going to define the terminology that will help you interpret and navigate through your own district salary guide. These terms will be used throughout the rest of this course and through the negotiations process. The structure of the salary guide refers to the overall composition of the guide. That is, the minimum and maximum salary rates, the pattern and size of increments, the pattern and size of the differentials, the length of the guide, and any aberrations such as balloons. Now, let's take a closer look at these definitions. A column differential refers to the difference between the salary rates at the same step on two adjacent columns. A differential is the additional salary that an employee would receive for placement on the next column as a result of increased academic preparation. Every salary guide begins with a minimum salary. This salary is the lowest monetary dollar amount on the guide. Typically, on a teacher's salary guide, it's the first step on the bachelor's degree column. Conversely, on that same column, there is a maximum salary, which is the highest monetary dollar amount for a staff member with a bachelor's degree. When a teacher moves up one step on a salary guide, it is referred to as a step movement, and the difference between the two consecutive salary rates on the same column is called an increment. An increment is the additional salary that an employee would receive if that individual advanced one step on the expiring salary guide. The number of increments indicates the number of movements required to travel from the minimum salary rate to the maximum salary rate on a given column. The number of increments is one less than the actual number of steps on a salary guide. A balloon step refers to a distinctly large increment, like the one you see here, where the increment is over $10,000. When one refers to the cost of increment, they are referring to the increased cost that would result if employees were advanced one step on an expiring salary guide. It is the cost of moving staff on the guide only and does not reflect the distribution of any additional money on a successor guide. Finally, FTE, or full-time equivalent, refers to the number based on an employee's full-time or part-time status. Each full-time employee is counted as 1.0, and each part-time employee is counted at their decimal equivalent. For example, an employee who works 3 days a week will be noted as 0.6. The distribution of salary increase refers to the way in which the negotiated salary increase is allocated to FTEs throughout the guide. The increase may be distributed as a flat dollar amount for each FTE or a flat percentage amount by using some other approach that results in different amounts being granted to different FTEs on different steps of the guide. Many of the salary guide terms that we just defined will be expanded on throughout the rest of the course. If you need any assistance, please utilize the discussion forum and I will get back to you. Thank you.